Exercise 5.3, question number 3. If u equal to n, then verify De Morgan's law by using a equal to 5 and b equal to p. Given u equal to n. U equal to n means universal set is equal to set of natural numbers. Counting numbers are natural numbers, right? So, universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Next, a is equal to 5. Set A is equal to 5. It's an empty set. Next, B is equal to P. Set B is equal to P. P means prime numbers, set of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Universal set is set of natural numbers. Set A is a null set and set B a set of prime numbers. Then question is to verify De Morgan's law, right? So to verify De Morgan's law, so first law is A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Second law, A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. Now consider the first law, that is A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, first consider LHS. LHS equal to A union B whole complement. First we can find out the value of A union B, right? A union B equal to A equal to 5 and B equal to P. So A union B is equal to 5 union P. Null set union set of prime numbers. And by definition we know that union of two set has set of elements which are in both the set. Here the first set has no element and second set is a set of prime number. So union answer is set of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. That is equal to P. A union B is equal to P set of prime numbers. Now our LHS is equal to A union B whole complement. So A union B whole complement equal to universal set minus A union B. That's equal to universal set minus P. Here universal set is set of natural numbers minus P is set of prime numbers. So first number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So the answer will be set of natural numbers without prime numbers, right? That is 1, 2, 3 are prime numbers, 4, 5 is a prime number, next is 6, 7 is a prime number, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11 is a prime number, 12, 13 prime number, so etc. So A union B whole complement equal to universal set minus P, that is equal to 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. that is set of natural numbers without prime number. Now mark it as equation number 1. Next consider RHS. RHS is A complement intersection B complement. Next consider RHS. RHS equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay. A, it is given as 5 set. A equal to 5 or null set. So A complement is equal to universal set minus A. Universal set is set of natural number. Substitute it. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. minus A. A is 5 or null set. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Means set of natural numbers. Because here there is no elements. So A complement equal to U minus A is equal to set of natural numbers. So A complement equal to N is equal to set of natural number. Next B complement. So first it is given B is equal to P, set of prime numbers, right? P equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. So B complement is equal to U minus universal set minus B. That is U minus P, that's equal to universal set. U, it is given as set of natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. minus set of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Set of natural numbers minus set of prime numbers. What you will get? Set of natural numbers without prime numbers, right? We already proved it. That is 1, 2, 3 are prime numbers. Next 4, 5 is a prime number. 6, 7 prime number. 8, 9, 10, 11 prime number. 12, 13 prime number. 14, 15, etc. So set of natural numbers without prime numbers. Here we got A dash is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. means set of natural numbers equal to n. That is universal set, right? And B dash is equal to 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. means set of natural numbers without prime numbers. That is n minus p. Natural number minus prime number. And here the question is to find out the value of, that is RHS is A complement intersection B complement. And by definition we have intersection of two set has the set of elements which are in both the set. That is intersection of two set has set of elements common in both the set. So here which elements are common? Here A dash is set of natural number and B dash is set of natural number without prime number. So which set is common? Which elements are common? Set of natural number without prime numbers, right? So A dash intersection B dash we can write it as set of natural numbers intersection set of natural number without prime numbers. Okay, set of natural number includes set of natural number without prime numbers also, right? So these elements are set of natural number without prime numbers are common. Now substitute the value of A dash in and B dash. Okay. So A dash intersection B dash is equal to common elements 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, So this is the set of natural number without prime number. So this one you can write it as n minus p. Consider it as equation number 2. That is RHS equal to n minus p, equation number 2. Now compare this with equation number 1. Now equation number 1 is LHS, right? LHS equal to A union B whole complement equal to U minus P. U minus P means use the universal set, that is set of natural number. It is same as n minus P, right? So equation 1 is set of natural number without prime number. And equation 2 is also n minus p, that is set of natural numbers without prime numbers, right? So that implies LHS equal to RHS. That is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Hence first law is verified. Now consider the second law. Second law is A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. First consider LHS. Here LHS is equal to A intersection B whole complement. Okay. First we can find out the value of A intersection B. A is an empty set, right? So empty set intersection B. B it is given as set of prime numbers. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. So now we know that intersection of two set has only the elements common in both the set. Okay, and here no elements are common, right? So A intersection B is equal to null set. A intersection B is equal to null set. Now LHS equal to A intersection B whole complement. So A intersection B whole complement equal to U minus A intersection B, right? We know that it is given U universal set is set of natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 set of natural numbers minus A intersection B is null set. Here no elements in second set, right? So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Means what? Set of equal to set of natural number. So LHS equal to A intersection B whole complement equal to set of natural number. Mark it as equation number 1. Next consider RHS. RHS is A complement union B complement. Okay. So first we can find out the value of A complement. A complement equal to U minus A. U universal set, it is given as set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And A is null set. Okay. So natural number, set of natural number minus null set is set of natural numbers, right? 4, 5, etc. So A dash is equal to N, set of natural number. Next B dash. B dash is equal to U minus B. U universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. minus B. B means set of prime numbers, right? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Means what? N minus P, right? Set of natural number minus set of prime numbers. What you will get is equal to set of natural number without prime number, right? That is, so B dash is equal to set of natural numbers without prime numbers. That is N minus P, right? So we can write it as B dash is equal to 1, 2, 3 are prime numbers. 4, 5 prime number, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, etc. That is n minus b. Right? A dash we got it as set of natural numbers, right? That is n. And b dash is set of natural number without prime number. So our RHS equal to A dash union B dash. Means what? Set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Set of natural numbers union B dash. Set of natural number without prime numbers 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. So A complement union B complement equal to set of natural number union set of natural numbers without prime numbers. Now by definition we know that union of two set has set of elements which are in both the set, right? So here first set is set of natural numbers and second set of natural number without prime numbers. So union of this two set has set of natural numbers, right? So this is equal to set of natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. equal to n, right? So RHS equal to A complement union B complement equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. equal to set of or n, right? Mark it as equation number 2. Now compare this with equation 1. Equation 1, LHS equal to A intersection B whole complement equal to n. So here LHS equal to RHS. So this implies LHS equal to RHS. That is A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. So second law also verified.